In this equation, there are parentheses. Now, we have talked about parentheses before. When you see parentheses in an equation, go ahead and say out loud right now, what are you supposed to do? Distribute. We use the distributive property. This is something we talked about on Friday and a little bit at the beginning of the period yesterday. When you see parentheses, it almost always means we will be distributing. So we will distribute the negative 6. That means we're going to be multiplying each of these pieces to get negative 6 times 2 is negative 12x. Negative 6 times negative 5 is a positive 30. And it still equals negative 24. Do not change anything about this number here. The only numbers that should be changing are the ones in parentheses that have been changed because of distributing. Do not distribute across the equals sign. That is not correct. Now that we have this, it again, like everything else today, turned into a two-step equation. So now you will subtract 30. You will get negative 12x equals negative 24 minus 30 more is negative 54. You would then divide by negative 12. And this one does not end with a whole number, which we've talked about before. If it doesn't go in, you should leave it as an improper fraction. However, this can be reduced. First of all, a negative divided by a negative should be what? Positive. Good. We also need to reduce this. What number goes into 54 that also goes into 12? 6 would be the biggest number that does it. 6 goes into 54 9 times. 6 goes into 12 twice. And we will leave our final answer as 9 halves. Please do not make mixed numbers. Please do not make decimals.